Hello, my name is Juan, and today I want to go through how I determine which media is right for the occasion when communicating with others. To start off, I want to look at three main factors to consider. I want to go over those first with you quickly and then go into more detail later. So first, we'll look at social influence. Second, we'll look at social presence. And third, we'll look at concurrency. Social influence, or what media channels are most socially prevalent. So, for example, in a business setting, do they use Mattermost? Do they have some kind of primary communication channel that they already have a subscription with? Which channels are appropriate? Which channels are popular? So think about that appropriateness and think about how they are popular. If you're on Twitch and you're watching a Twitch stream, they might have a Discord channel in which communication is readily available. If you're at a business, it might be more appropriate to do something more professional, especially if it has to do with intricate ideas, so maybe email would be best. Next, social presence. What kind of needs will this communication be entailing in terms of physicality? Do you need to see a person face to face? Do you just need to hear their voice? Is it even quicker information relay such as text? So how intricate will it be? How many parties? Is it a group? Is there a need for this group to have a textual, visual, and audio component? And what kind of time constraints? If the information needs to be relayed incredibly quick, perhaps a text is best. Finally, I want to look at the effect that concurrency has on this decision as well. Concurrency, especially now, is incredibly important when considering what media to use to communicate your ideas most effectively. Now, the first consideration, can multi-channel communication help provide more information? Again, would a textual, visual, and audio component in their own regard provide something to the benefit of information translation? Can multi-channel communication be used effectively? Now, even if all of those components can improve and help provide more information during your discussion or your communication, that doesn't necessarily mean that everybody knows how to use them. You have to be sure that all parties involved are thoroughly knowledgeable in the communication methods. Otherwise, some information will be missed. Finally, can multi-channel communication avoid being distracting? That kind of ties in with the previous point. Now, a lot of times there could potentially be something in the background occurring during a video chat that may be distracting from the main point. This happens quite frequently, especially in cases where not all parties completely know how to use the chat services. So again, you want to make sure that even if something has the potential to be efficient, that everybody has the understanding to make it efficient. Finally, more or less adapt. Think of your situation in these three factors and think about the best way to get whatever information you're needing to get out to the people that it needs to get to. In summation, that's how I develop my ideas of which media platform to select when communicating with anybody.